Good morning class 6. Today I am going to start a new book. Okay, GK. This is your next subject. Today I am going to start this. And now in this I am starting chapter number 2nd. In this book I am starting chapter number 2nd. A festival. हमारे जो festivals हैं. Okay. Here one help box is also given on page number 7. From here you can write these correct spellings. But already I have written. Then also you can see if you want to take help. Okay. Now first, this is a festival of mourning observed especially in Slit community. It is the anniversary of Hussein's, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad. ये क्या होगा इसका? मोहर्रम. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? मोहर्रम. सेकेंड, अ फेस्टिवल ऑब्जर्व ड्यूरिंग द मंथ ऑफ Ashwina. It is celebrated of 10th day. During this period, event connected with Lord Rama's life leading to his victory over Ravan are dramatized. Dashera. कौन सा फेस्टिवल है? दशहरा. थर्ड, it is the yearly commemoration of the crucifixion of Jesus Christ as early as AD 200. Christians fasted and did penance on this day. This tradition is still followed. Church services are held to commemorate the suffering and death of Christ. What would be the answer? Good Friday. Okay. Fourth, this festival is celebrated in the month of January or February in honor of the goddess of learning. Okay. Which festival is this? Saraswati Puja. Okay. Fifth, this is celebrated in Kerala and is primarily a harvest festival. What would be the answer? Onam. Okay. Sixth, it is celebrated in the month of Phagan in honor of Lord Shiva. Shivratri. Okay. Seventh one, it is the feast of sacrifice. It is the chief festival of Muslim and is also called Idul Kabir. It is observed on the 10th day of the month of Julhijjah in memory of Ibrahim's readiness to sacrifice his son Ismail in obedience to God's command. ईदुल जुहा. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? ईदुल जुहा. ओके. नाउ एट्थ वन, दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल फेस्टिवल ऑफ द क्रिश्चियन चर्च ईयर. It is celebrated the resurrection of Jesus Christ on the 3rd day after his crucifixion. The origin of Easter celebration can be traced back to the early year of Christianity. What would be the answer? Easter. Okay. 9. This is the birthday of Guru Nanak celebrated in December. Guru Parv. 10. This day is celebrated in memory of the first ceremony of Buddha. Ashad Purnima. Ashad Purnima. Okay. 11th, it is observed as the birth anniversary of Lord Krishna on the 8th day of Bhadrapad, Janmashtami. What would be the answer? Janmashtami. 12th, a festival celebrated on the last day of Shravan month. On this day, girls tie Rakhi on the wrist of their brothers in order to secure later's protection. What would be the answer? Raksha Bandhan. Okay. 13. This is the festival of light observed on the 14th day of Kartik. It is celebrated in commemoration of Lord Rama's return to Ayodhya after his victory over Ravan. Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and worshipped on this day is Diwali. What would be the answer? Diwali. Now 14th and last, this is a festival of colors celebrated in the month of Phagun. What would be the answer? Holi. This all you have to learn. Okay, with spellings. ये आपको spellings के साथ में learn करना है. Okay class, all of you have to learn this and you have to read also. Okay, thank you.